Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Barantis. I just wanted to check in with you guys. Spring break is almost over, and we are now officially going to be launching our virtual classroom starting tomorrow. So I wanted to update you all, make sure that you knew exactly what was going on, and also to say I miss you. I know that this is not what we anticipated. We anticipated being able to see each other tomorrow, and that's not going to happen. So I wanted to make sure that we connected and that you knew exactly what you needed for the start of virtual school. So I'm going to close my photo here or move it over a little bit and show you guys a few things. So you guys should have received this email from Mr. Bailey on the 28th of March. And I want to just highlight a couple of things on this information page for you. The very first thing I actually want to go through is what you need to know for tomorrow. So tomorrow, Monday, April 6th, and then I believe if we still need to on Tuesday, but sign up for Monday first, you are going to have the opportunity to pick up a Chromebook from Madison. If you do not have technology at home, or if your parents need to be able to use that technology, or you have many siblings or whatever, any student is eligible to pick up a Chromebook from Madison. So here's the information. It's going to be a drive-through pickup. You do have to schedule a time because they want to make sure not everybody's coming at the exact same time. And you do have to read and sign the district's acceptable use policy. And then you need to, this is the link here to sign up for an actual time slot. It is best if you bring your ID card, but I have also already had a few students ask, what if I don't have an ID card right now? You can still come and get a Chromebook. It just might take you a little bit longer to get it because they're going to have to go through another verification process with you. So please make sure that you come and get a Chromebook so you can log in, because our virtual school will be run through Google Classroom. If you do not have internet access, please make sure that you email Mrs. Diaz or Mr. Patterson. And there's also options right here through the district to be able to get you guys free access to internet. Okay, so that's first thing. Come get a Chromebook tomorrow. Okay. All right. The second thing is I wanted to just talk to you kind of about how things are going to be working. You are going to be doing curriculum. I'm still your teacher. We're going to be running that through our class, but rather than things being set like a whole unit over multiple weeks, we're going to do weekly modules, and that means you're going to start and end your work within 1 week. Our work is going to be posted on Tuesdays. And so you can see that, and then it's due the following Tuesday. The only one that's different is that first week of modules. We're letting everybody get used to it and acclimated, and then it'll be due 2 weeks from Tuesday. So that's kind of when you need to make sure that you have the things from that module turned in. And if you notice, every subject is teaching and posting their stuff a different day. And we did that to try not to overwhelm families and stuff like that. Another thing that's important is that if you, on Mondays, you also need to check out PLT. We're going to be pushing out a lot of information through that class. And we know that things are going to be different with that because of our limitations with, like we don't have our TED curriculum with us and all of that. So don't stress about that. But we are going to still be connecting, and you're going to still be able to journal about your passions and let us know kind of what other things have you been doing now that we are at home. So there's lots of information. 8th graders, again, we're still figuring out end of the year stuff. We've got to live kind of day by day at this moment. And so just make sure that you are looking at that information and checking in with me. And then finally, I just want to say to all of you that I miss you so much. I really hope you're doing well. Please make sure that you email me with any questions or issues that you have. At this point, we're not doing Zoom calls with the whole class, but we may be able to in a couple of weeks once we get everybody set with technology and things set up for security and all those types of things. but I am always available through email. So please make sure that you contact me that way, and that you stay safe, and that you yeah, are making the best of this situation. So hope you're doing well, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.